You want to support Black business? Good. But some of you are waiting for someone to build the factory, make the shampoo, assemble the bicycle, build the robot, grow the herbs, and apparently deliver the package too. Come on, family. We don't have to own everything before we start controlling something. Look at what's happening already. The company got the product, you got the money, and somehow everybody between you and that company figured out how to get paid. Everybody, except us. Now that's interesting. So we build the bridge. You were already going to buy it. They were already trying to sell it to you. Radical Market Studio puts a community-owned market between the two. Same customer, same company, different road. And we aren't dragging everything we find across that bridge either. Somebody ought to be on your side. We check the company, we check the product. We tell you what we know and what we don't. If it doesn't belong on the market, it doesn't belong on the market. We need customers. We don't need victims. Now think about payday. Before you touch your money, taxes already met it. Then gas says hello, groceries say hello, lights, phone, internet. By the time everybody finishes introducing themselves to your paycheck needs counseling. And after you spend it, gone. You got the product. They got the money. Relationship over. So what if we interrupt just a little bit of that? Not magic, just business. You don't pay extra. You don't donate. You don't join some secret Black economic club. You buy what you were already going to buy. The company pays the market for bringing the customer. That's it. Before, all the value kept moving away from us. Now, some of it stays connected. That's a small change with a big possibility. Because you call a company by yourself asking for a better deal, they might lose your number. 10,000 customers? Suddenly everybody knows where the phone is. That's leverage. And quit looking at this like 3 bottles of CBD sitting next to some shampoo. Health, beauty, home, kitchen, bikes, lawn technology, appliances, robotics, cookware, coffee, more coming. It is a market. And no, your package isn't coming by camel. A lot of these companies ship right here in America. Many offer free shipping. They pack it, they ship it, it comes to your house. We're the door you came through. Support Black stores in your neighborhood too. Absolutely. But what if they don't carry what you need? What if they're across town? What if it's 10 o'clock at night? You going to stand outside the locked door proving a point? Pick up the phone. And you get a say too. See a company? Send it to us. Hear something we need to know? Tell us. That's the watch list. One person can miss something. A whole community got a lot more eyes. And what happens when the market starts making money? We want some of those resources doing work. Electricity, cable, internet, satellite. You ever notice everybody knows exactly where to send your bill, but nobody knows who made the damn rules? We got questions. Agency projects is where we start asking them. Now somebody says, isn't this affiliate marketing? Yeah. A steering wheel is a circle too. Until somebody puts a car behind it, anybody can hold up a bottle and say, use my code. Fine. We're not building an ad, we're building a market. But here's the part we cannot do without you. Nobody sees it? It doesn't matter. You can build the greatest thing in the world and hide it. Congratulations, you built a secret. Like the video, share it, subscribe. We need traffic, not compliments. Then go to Radical Market Studio and get on the list. New companies come in, deals change, new products show up, and when there's something happening in the community, we need to be able to find each other. Everybody says, somebody ought to do something, then somebody does something, and can't find nobody. Let's fix that. So here's your whole assignment. 1, move the information. 2, get connected. 3, if you're buying it anyway, check the market first. That's it. Nobody asked you to save the world before breakfast. The manufacturer has the product. You have the purchasing power. We built the bridge. Now we need traffic. Because traffic gives us something we don't have by ourselves. Better deals, better terms, better return policies, more transparency, more resources, more power to ask, what are you doing for the people buying your stuff? Do we want Black manufacturing? Of course, but we can't sit around waiting until we own every factory before we start moving. First, we control the bridge, get strong enough on the bridge, maybe we help build the factory next. So stop waiting for somebody to build the place. The market is already here, it's just on your phone.
Radical Market Studio. Respect the process.